Welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. If it's your first time here, gorgeous, you're welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. All I do here, I review wigs from different companies. The wig I'll be reviewing today is from Ashimary Hair. So this is the wig. It came in this cute bag, you can see. Let me bring it out for you guys to see. So this is it. It came with some goodies. It came with these. Ooh, this braids, alright. It came with a pair of lashes. It came with an edge brush, hairband that is written Ashimary Hair, and a wig cap. So this is the wig. Okay, it's body wave. It is 28 inches. You can see it's here. It's written here, and it's 13 by 4 lace wig. So guys, this is it. You can see it. How lovely is this? See the color, reddish brown. So long. It's very long. So this is the inside. You can see the inside of the wig. Okay, the hairline came little bit plucked. You can see this. Let me show you guys more. You can see it came little bit plucked. Okay, you can pluck it more if you want. And also inside there are some combs that came with it, an inbuilt adjustable strap, and at the back there is a lace. It's 13 by 4 lace wig. So let me pop this on for you guys to see. So guys, this is it on. You can see the hairline. So I will create center part. You see it, okay? And I really like the color of the hair, this reddish brown, and they coiled it. It's body wave. So this is my part. I'm using a wax stick just to lay the front of it. Okay, and I'm going to comb it. I need to hold the hair down.
I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do.
I like the texture of the hair. It does not tangle, and there is no shedding from it. And this color is just great. The color is great. So let me bring out some baby hair.
I've been worrying about my mental health, cause when I'm alone I keep checking my phone, yeah. Seeing all these people having someone to lean on while I don't. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up.
So I created my baby hair this side. I'm just going to lay this down. excess lace.
Was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah.
So now that I've cut the ear side, I'm going to cut the front. I'm following the hairline. To use gel. If you've been watching my videos, you know I don't waste time when it comes to installing of my wigs. This is what I do. Sometimes I don't even glue it down. I even glue this one down. I'm using styling gel. I don't want to use glue. So guys, I use this to hold it down while I work on the hair. Ooh, this. See how the hair is bouncing. See how the hair is bouncing. I want to coil it. Let's coil the hair to give it more volume.
To settle down, day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I get too drunk.
I'm just going to cut only the tip.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town, but there's something about you I like. drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us.
So guys, that is it for this hair review. So I will leave the details on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. The hair is so gorgeous, there's no tangling, and the color is bomb. It takes coils. I just did this very fast, okay, and it's looking bomb. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon, and thank you so much for doing that. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Ciao.